because T10 cricket is another question mark. It's the wrong one. Something different. You don't see many of them. And that is the perfect start. They've got rid of the openers now. This is something that'll get them going. It was a mighty 32. It's now 41 for 2.
Brilliant start from Zahiar Khan. It's James Vince who's in. Strike rate of 132 and plenty of experience in the shape of 155 matches. They slip in. Oh, that one zips through at pace, and that's well taken by the keeper. Luke Ronke there moved well with the spin with the ball. Have a look at this wrong and not picked. It went the other way, made room, and that ball hit the off peg, and what a start. Magnificent start. Difficult to hit if you're not reading him off the palm. So he gets the head start, the bowler.
Yeah, and that's what I've noticed in recent times, just the reading out of the hand. And maybe it's because of all the T20 cricket. Now T10 cricket, they deliver with such fast hands. Maybe that's a real reason why batsmen can't pick it so easily out of the hand as maybe they used to, with a bit up and over and stronger flight.
Yeah, with flatter trajectory and more revs on the ball, with white ball now being used at both ends. Yeah, difficult really to pick which way the ball is going. But if you're not picking him off the hand, obviously you don't get the head start. And in T10, in T20, you need that extra bit of oh, gone again. Gone again. That's brilliant. Straight bowling, hitting the stumps regularly. What a start by the left armour. They're not picking him.
They're not. And it's only subtle movement, Rameez, as well. It's not moving in lot. That was shorter. And he's advanced. He's trying to come down and hit him. Had plenty of time. That's pretty well gone straight on. I think it was the wrong one, but it hasn't gone away from him. It's more the angle across the right hand. That's just execution. 1 from 2. This is changing rapidly. 44 for 3.
Well, we were thinking of an early night, not to be. The contest is heating up. 44 for the loss of 3. They're not reading him off the hand, so that's a big problem. Vince, they're biting the dust, really, in no man's land, just walking out of the crease, hoping for the best.
Yeah, well, they're unusual, and the fact you don't face many of them, it takes a little while to get into some sort of sync.
Oh, the sharp turn and bounce. Great over. 44 for 3.
Now we've had Zahiar swap ends. So look out. Be fascinating to see how these two go about this. Faulkner very experienced. Zadran, who likes to go long. What has he got for us?
It is such an advantage of having a bowler like Zahiar Khan in the team, because he gives you that variation. He's a mystery bowler, left arm Chinaman, bowls a little bit of googly also. So it's very hard when you're looking to hit the ball. He's the one who started all of that. Another wonderful delivery. Bit more bounce. Ball quickly. Googly once again. Although there is a little bit of moisture on the field, he's still getting a purchase or a spin out of the surface.
And batters, obviously they've got to make their pace, make their own pace of it, particularly if Zahiar is confident enough just to sometimes slow it up a little. And then they've got to fetch and go, and if he is getting that little bit of purchase by giving it a fraction more air, then he is a difficult customer to deal with. Yeah, there's that fuller one. I think that might have clipped Faulkner. Is it? Oh, it's still gone for 4 though, because Zahiar got enough of it.
Yeah, that was hit really hard. Faulkner was lucky that it didn't really hit him. Jumping at the last second. James Faulkner went under him and went very, very quickly to the boundary.
2 to go. Up in the air. Here we go. Who wants it? Oh, that's a good catch. Do not underestimate that, a running catch with your head bouncing at almost full pace. Akmal, you little cracker.
Yeah, safe hands. He had some distance to cover. Nowhere. He was in control of the stroke. He knew exactly what he's done. Head went down quickly, and head was very still when Umar was running to the ball. Grabbed it beautifully right at the end. And that's 7 gone now. Zahiar gone for 17.
Last one of the over. Faulkner will hold the strike. 7 done. Clickety click. 66 for 7.